Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel. In today's video we'll show you on BMW E46 where to find the relay for the horn, guys. If your horn on the steering wheel doesn't work, we'll show you where to find the relay for it. You have a fuse, guys, you have a relay. We have the video about the fuse on the channel, check it out, guys. In today's video we'll explain about the relay. It's very hidden, so we decided to show you guys because most of you will not know where to find it and how to access it. Now, we'll be having, guys, more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below, guys. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So, don't forget, guys, okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, if the horn doesn't work, guys, okay, the horn doesn't work on your BMW E46, you will need to check the fuse and the relay. Otherwise, it could be a switch. And we will show you guys, we'll have a video how to test the horn switch and all that with the computer if you need help. Now, we check the switch, it's good. We check the fuse, it's good. So either bad horn or a relay, and we tested the horn, it's good. So most likely, guys, we have a bad relay or wiring somewhere on the way. You will, guys, need to remove your glove box in order to get to the relays. We have the video on the channel how to remove the glove box, check it out. The whole glove box will need to be removed to get to the relays. You will need to remove 6 screws and 2 clips, pull it out, okay, the whole assembly, and then, guys, okay, right here you will have one nut with a 10mm socket on the bottom that you will need to remove, guys. Okay, this is the nut, so you can bring that relay box down. And looking at it, guys, the very last relay on the right side on top, okay, it's that green relay right there, guys. Let me get something to point at. Okay, this relay, okay, right here, the very last one, it's the one for the horn, guys. So you start like here, 1, 2, then you have relay number 3, 4, 5, 6, guys. Relay number 6 is the one for the horn. So you just remove it and replace it and see if that fixes the problem, guys. We'll have on the channel, guys, how to test the relay and where we buy them from. All that will be listed in the description of the video below. So thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.